Good morning, guys. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever.
I can't let you up because your paws are wet. Oh, no, they're not.
I already know how your vlogs go.
Cassidy's hiding.
I just woke up.
That's okay. Welcome back. It's a rainy day. I would show you, but it's like pitch black outside. I've got school today, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I am basically babysitting Cassidy for a week while her parents are out of the country, and I'm gonna be her Uber driver all today. She has to be at the school at 8 o'clock.
Because I failed my ELA test.
So I made sure to wake us up at like 6:45. Well, I woke myself up at 6:45. I woke her up at like 7. I made us breakfast, and
I brushed my teeth.
she brushed her teeth, guys. And yeah, our lunches are made, and then, oh wait, I have to finish typing up an essay really quick. Then I'm gonna print it, and then we can leave, because she's gotta be at the school by 8. So, it's a lovely day today. Also, I don't think I even have time to do makeup, so I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows and call it a day.
Can I borrow a white sweatshirt from you?
Of course.
Thanks so much. Because I brought t-shirts that go with these leggings.
Wait.
I don't have any neutrals.
Is that one dirty? We are on a tight schedule, you guys.
Closet is like a shopping spree. I can't decide.
Okay. So weird. I feel like I've been off my vlogging game because school has just been completely dragging my in the dirt. Like, so bad. But this weekend was really fun. Oh, let me fill you guys in on what happened, because a lot happened. My sister and her boyfriend came to Texas. I met him for the first time. He's a really cool dude. It was so fun. Oh, look at that. Show them your fit.
Okay. Oh, TD. Blue leggings. Talentless. This is the back. I should
So
model for them. And then my anklets. And then my feet.
so cute. Literally, Cassidy has a little shopping spree in my closet every time she comes over. I gotta print this out ASAP. Let's go to the printer. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see this? The sunroof is completely wet. Okay, Cassidy needs to hurry her little tush up because she's gonna be late. I put my hair in a little bun. That hoodie looks cute on you.
You finished so early.
Dude,
I was still putting on my mascara.
I told you. Prioritizing your time works wonders.
They got home at like 12 a.m. But then after that, the next day, I had Saturday school.
Yes.
Don't fail your classes, kids. I don't think I could do YouTube because I get off task. They went to shoot guns at like a gun place.
Okay, yeah, so we went to a gun range and I shot guns. You can rent guns, but we had our own. We all went shooting. She was a pro at shooting. My dad goes with her dad to the range. So it was my first time shooting and my mom's first time shooting. Catherine has already shot, obviously, she's in the Air Force, but like, it was so fun. Went to meet up with my aunt and we got breakfast and coffee at this place.
I came home and I ended up going to the village with some of my friends and they watched Encanto while I was at the village.
Y'all, I've seen Encanto 3 times. It is so good. I freaking love that movie. The soundtrack is so good.
After that, it was Chinese New Year and
Oh,
so
yeah.
we went out to dinner with family.
Yeah, my aunt and my uncle on my mom's side.
And we ate there and it was so funny because it was like first time meeting them.
So then after dinner at the Chinese restaurant, we went home and we played the Chinese New Year game, the gambling game, and we got our red envelopes. Cass and Spencer got red envelopes too, so we had money to gamble with.
I still don't know if I'm gonna be lucky this year.
I feel like there's no way to tell if you're gonna be lucky this year. Yesterday they left, but we went to Topgolf and played Topgolf. We had pancakes for breakfast. It was just really fun.
4 pancakes. It was so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like pouring. And then this morning it was like lightning and thundering.
Yeah, Leo is so scared of the thunder. great day at school.
I'm gonna do this.
This is Cassidy's going where I used to go to school, middle school.
I wish I could go to the other school. I don't like this school.
No, this one's so nice. It's newer and nicer.
Okay.
Bye. See you later. Currently at the gym right now. This camera makes my face look so scary. I'm so sorry. Hi guys, I just got home from the gym and there are 2 packages that I will open once I get home. I have to go pick up Cassidy from school really quick though, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Going to the gym always makes me feel so much better. I think it had been like 4 days since I last went, so I went pretty hard today and I feel great. I have a meeting later tonight. My photographer that I always shoot with, Jonesy, at North Italia, which is this like amazing Italian restaurant. It's one of my favorites and it's at the Domain, and I'm gonna be meeting up with Jonesy. I literally love her. I've shot so many things with her. My merch photo shoots have been with her. My single of the season promo shoot was with her. So I'm so excited to see her, but dinner isn't gonna be till 7, which is like so late because I always eat at like 5 or 4, which is so bad. But you know what? It's gonna be worth it because I'm gonna get to see her and I'm gonna get to eat some bomb Italian food. I wish I had filmed this yesterday, but Cassidy and I made chocolate covered strawberries because we both love strawberries, but we also love chocolate and sweets. So we had so much fun making that. I'll insert a photo of how they turned out. We finished all of them. I'm pretty sure there was over 15 and the whole thing was gone after 20 minutes of taking it out. So they were so good. I want to go to the store and get more chocolate to remake them again.
Maddie! Oh, I see your car.
Okay, bye.
Hi.
Cass coming.
I see you.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, did I just want to?
How was school?
It was good. Guess what I got on my ELA test?
What?
I got an 81.
What?
When I retook it, I got an 81.
Dude,
64 to 81.
that's crazy. I am not going to be going to have a meeting and go out to dinner with the photographer tonight because the weather is so bad. So, unfortunately, that cannot happen. Instead, I made Cassidy and I mac and cheese and we just had that and it was so fire. Love Kraft. Kraft should definitely sponsor me. I am going to do a little unboxing because I have 2 packages. One is from a swimsuit brand called Sunnyco. They sent a few swimsuits over, which I don't know what they look like. I'm very excited. And then the other one is from Casetify. So, let's see what we have. They always sound like the cutest packaging. Ooh! Okay, looks like they came out with a new collection. A phone cleaner, cloths and wipes. They are doing a collab with Peanuts. Peanuts times Casetify. Charlie Brown. My sister and I grew up watching Charlie Brown, by the way, especially the Thanksgiving one. Such a good movie. Oh my gosh, these are like so vintage. What? Woodstock. Oh my god, this is the little like bird guy. I'm putting this one on my phone. Look how vintage this looks. Oh, I'm obsessed.
It kind of looks like Bucky's from afar.
Thank you so much, Caseify, if y'all are watching this. I love y'all's cases. They always protect my phone, never cracks.
No, for real. I've dropped my phone so many times, and I'm using these and it's just so good. I'm not kidding.
Cassidy got all of my old cases because I got a new phone, and she is secured. Second package, swimsuits. At about this time, because tomorrow's February, by the way, about this time is when I usually start seeing swimsuits come in, or I'll order some by myself. And that's because you can never start preparing too early for summer. All right, first we have a green swimsuit. These are what the bottoms look like. Shut up, this is so cute.
Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
All right, next swimsuit is a pink and purple one. This is what the bottoms look like. Oh, this is so cute.
Is it like a V-neck?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And that's so cute. And there's adjustable straps, which is always nice. Next, we have a red one.
I feel like red suits you really well.
Really?
I feel like it.
This is so cute. And these are the bottoms. I love how they have these little like bedazzle things. All right, we got a black triangle bikini top. Black bottoms are always essential. Oh yeah, I like this. Next we have a teal. Oh, this is such a cute color combo. Okay. It's like modest, but like cute. All right. Then, oh, this is, oh my God, this is my favorite. I love this color, first off. I think blue is my favorite color. I like red on me, but blue is my favorite color on me. Oh, this is beautiful. Wait, so this is giving,
oh, that's giving Ariel vibes.
it's giving Ariel at Hawaii vibes, or like Costa Rica. This is the cutest triangle bikini ever. And last but not least are the bikini bottoms. Oh, these are so cute.
Those are my favorite ones.
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite swimsuit. And they're not even cheeky, look at this.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
This is so cute. All right guys, that is all for today's video. I'm sorry, I was gonna take y'all out to the domain and we were gonna get dinner and you could have seen Jonesy, but you know, the weather happens. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.